Hey everyone, so here is this app which is called Hoocy. So it's one of the top apps in this puzzle category. So to install it, just type get. And this app is basically a fun puzzle math game. So you can just try to improve your calculation skills and get as many as possible like correct answers to some like math problems. So yeah. Here is how the app looks like. You can go to settings, quantity, workbook, VIP, and then you can just to remove ads. You can subscribe for like $1.99 per week or $29.99 per year or $4.99 per month. So let's try it. So okay, so what would be the correct so like 4.8. Oh, wait, what's going on here? Okay, yeah, so it's like pretty complicated actually. Okay, 8, 10, 80. Uh, 9 multiplied by 13, 90. So yeah, so you have 30 seconds to solve this puzzle. 1, I don't know. So that's basically the app. Yeah, you can skip the steps here. I don't know the answer to this. Minus something. Minus, I don't know. So yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, that's basically how the app looks like. Yeah, so that's your score. You can see details. And then yeah, you can see correct answers. You can see your answers. And yeah, that's just improve your math skills. Can be nice if you are preparing for some school exams or something like that. Hope it was helpful. Please leave reviews, leave comments, like this video and subscribe.